Hello, in front of me I've got ASUS TUF Gaming Monitor. In this video I'll show you how to enter monitor menu. In the beginning, take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got control panel. Here you can find X, R01, R02 button and menu button. The menu button is actually knob. Press it to enter menu. Also, you can press R01 button and R02 button. Thanks to those buttons, thanks to R01 button, you can go to GamePlus menu, and thanks to R02 button, you can go to Game Visuals menu. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.